So today I'm gonna make envelopes para sa tithes and offering sa church. Nagpalit ko o tingon ani nga material. Gani siya. I bought this one. And then, ako siyang gibutangan o pattern like this. And then, i-cut na ko siya. So, this is what I do. Cut this. So, I'm gonna cut this along this line. This is it. Mauna siya. I cut 3 pieces already. I've cut all of them first, and then that's the time that I'm gonna put them together using a glue gun. So mauna siya ang akong nahimo tanan. This. Now I am ready to put this together para ma-form siya, mahimo siya nga envelope. Just like that. Yeah. Then, this is it. Envelope. So, yun ani na ni siya. Karon. I'm done all of this. These are the envelopes that I'm ready to put names on this. So here it is. So when you open it, it's like that. And then when you close it, you're just gonna do like this. Ituyo na ko siya para kung ubay-ubay ang paper bills nga isulod, dili siya mga usik kay naka-close man siya. Mauna ni siya ang finished product. So, doon na siya yung name. Nga na siya pagputang sa pangalan. Like that. Kini siya, butanganan pa na ako siya of names. So, these are the envelopes for the tithes and offerings sa church. So, earlier sad, I made some envelopes. Blue ang akong giuna pagkama. Pagkita ninyo, daw nasa siya mga pangalan. It has names in it. Same envelopes I made. So it's like that. Like that. And then close it. Finished product. These were the envelopes I made earlier.